To get paid on Redbubble, first sign up for a seller account and enable payouts in your account settings. Redbubble offers several payment methods, including PayPal, direct bank transfers for US and international users, and digital wallets like Venmo and PayID in select regions. To add a payment method, log in and navigate to Account, then Payouts and Taxes, and click Add Payment Method. For PayPal, simply enter your PayPal email address. For bank transfers, provide your bank details, including account and routing numbers. Redbubble uses secure, encrypted processes to protect your financial information. Earnings are calculated monthly and paid out about 30 days after the month ends. Keep in mind, fees typically range from 20 to 30% of the sale price. Also, you'll need to ensure you meet the minimum payout thresholds, about $20 for PayPal and $50 for bank transfers. Taxes are your responsibility. If you're in the US and earn over $600, Redbubble will issue a 1099 NEC form. Don't forget to fill out your tax information in the Payouts and Taxes section, including your TIN. Finally, for security, Redbubble might ask for identity verification, especially for bank transfers. This might require uploading an ID. Pro tip: proactive payment setup correlates with higher success rates, with verified accounts seeing 20% more sales, so handle it quickly.